Hello, my name is Agustin and I work for a primary school. This video is made to present two activities that I have created for the learning of the volleyball relevant terminology in relation to the final task of a specialized English language module. My activities are addressed to students of the 6th level of primary education for the physical education subject. The first activity is made with the Powtoon tool and I have chosen 20 important vocabulary words from the test I did in activity 1.2 of this course to teach them to my students. It gives us the opportunity to teach the written word, images or picture and the pronunciation at the same time to help the students to learn the terms rightly. Okay, this is my Powtoon activity. Okay, you can see the word, you can see the picture, and you can hear the sound. Okay, this is another element called ball, for example. Okay. I have created 20 slides, one slide for each term, and the most important thing is that you can see the picture, you can see the word, and you can hear the sound, the pronunciation at the same time. Okay. The second activity is created with Kahoot tool, which I have made 14 multiple choice questions, and the students have to apply the knowledge of volleyball English terms. Okay, I show you Kahoot tool. You need a pin or a code to play Kahoot. Okay, and you need a nickname. Okay, I'm ready to start. Okay. The first question, for example, how many players normally play in a volleyball team? Okay, you can see the image and you can see 3 answers and you can select the correct answer. For example, okay, and this program shows the scoreboard and it's very motivating for the students. Okay, the next question, for example, what is the name of the place where you play volleyball? Okay, you can see the 3 options. You can see the court, the track and field. Okay, and you can select court. Okay, and I have created in this tool 14 answers, 14 multiple choice questions. Okay, with 3 answers of each question. Okay, speaking about the purpose of the activities I have designed is to introduce my students on how to play volleyball. Due to the fact that the subject is taught in English and the explanation will be in the same language, I have considered that it is very important to teach first the specific vocabulary they will need to understand the game, the teacher explanations, and to be able to communicate with other classmates or team players. For this reason, the pronunciation of each word should be also taught at the same time they are learning the new terminology. Okay, regarding the structure of my activities, the first one could be considered a kind of flashcard presented in a more innovative way through a Powtoon. This tool gives the teacher the opportunity to add the visual component and the sound to record yourself and show your students the correct pronunciation of each term. I consider very important to explain or introduce new vocabulary to our students in a foreign language through the writing word, images, or picture and the pronunciation, because this will facilitate their comprehension, memorization, and learning. In the PowerTune, I present some relevant terms extracted from the text. The second activity design is a Kahoot, as a kind of reinforcement activity to check if they have understood and learned the new vocabulary words. The Kahoot is composed by multiple choice questions where students have to demonstrate if they have learned about the previous terminology by answering the questions while playing and having fun. I believe my activities are innovative because in the first one, with the PowerTune, the teacher adds the visual aid to the traditional flashcard with pictures. The Kahoot activity encourages students and arises their interest in learning new concepts in the English language because they are using new technologies to play. For example, with this activity, they are interconnected and engaged in a competition between them. The use of these tools is very motivating for students because they are learning while they are playing. In terms of the assessment criteria, I have designed the Kahoot as a way of formative assessment to check if the students have understood the new vocabulary. I will assess if my students are able to understand the words, if they pronounce the words properly, and they also should be able to use the words and expression orally in order to improve their communicative competence and understand the teacher instructions to be able to play volleyball in physical education subject. Yes. Okay. Thank you for your attention.